Hi and welcome to my channel. In the last video we started exploring the JQ command. In this video we will continue our deep dive into using JQ to process JSON data efficiently. So stay tuned as we build on our previous knowledge and uncover more powerful features of JQ. So let's get started. So in our last video we looked at how to use JQ to, for example, to colorize our key and values. For example, we take this mgmt cli dash true show hosts f as format JSON and set that to JQ single quote dot single quote. So what if we want to get only the color? So we don't want to show all this information. We want to show the color of every host that we have. Only the color. How should we do? So we do as follows. It is so. And then we can take grep. We need to use the grep command. Grep color like this. But the problem here is that grep, since grep just filters lines, it's not very useful for processing JSON data. It will show you all lines. So as you can see here, the whole line, not just the color or the brown, the whole line, which might not provide the detailed information you need. So what should we do? A good example, a very common example that used in production is to get only the IP address, the UID, and the name of the host. So how to do that? So if we take the same command again, send that to JQ as before, and send that into more, so that the show hosts will show us the hosts page after page, so we can click spacebar to continue. So when we press here, we can see here it says objects, and the objects array, this is an array, typically contains a list of JSON objects representing the hosts in your network. Each JSON object within this array includes several key value pairs. For example, IP address is a key and the value is the IP address. And these describe various attributes of a host. So if we want only to show this objects array in our command, so instead for more, we can take the grep objects, but this does not show us anything. The very useful case is to take that array and show only from every host the UID, the name, and the IP address. How to do that? So we use the -r first. I will explain everything after, but we use the R single quote dot objects and square brackets. This is the array, and this accesses the objects array within the JSON output, iterating over each host object. So a very good example to show that is very good example in the production environment. Suppose you are managing a network with a large number of hosts and you need to create a report listing all hosts with their names, unique IDs, and IP addresses. The command allows you to generate this report quickly and in a format that can be easily shared and analyzed. So So we continue here, pipe, we send that to. Now we need to choose what do we need to take from the host information. Dot name, this is the name, comma, the UID, comma, IPv4 address, and we close the square brackets here, and then pipe that into like that at CSV, and we then close the single quote. So let's talk about this dash R. So we can use dash R, or we can use 2 dashes, raw output is the same, but we can take the R, it's easier. So dash R. The dash R flag strips away the JSON formatting, making the output more suitable for human reading or for use in other scripts and tools that expect plain text or CSV data. The other thing here is these CSV. So the CSV operator in JQ is used to convert the specified fields into a CSV format. This operator takes an array of values and outputs them as a single CSV line. So we can press enter here and see what is the result. Okay, now we have a list of only the name of the host, the UID of the host, and the IP address of the host. So what happens if we don't use the dash R key? So if we remove the dash R, we can compare the results. See, so if you look here, you see this is the JSON things that backslashes. This is more cleaner and easier to use in if you have a script and you, for example, if you want to take only the IP address of this host and use it in the nest command. So it's easier in the CSV with the R. Okay, so in the next video we'll look at how to use one of these in the next command. So we will take this, for example, this host, and put it in a variable and use it in the next command. But for now, let's listen to Matilda and take the quote of the day.
Hello everyone. Today, I want to share a powerful quote that has the potential to transform the way we think and live our lives. It's about the importance of dreaming big. There's a quote that says, "Dream big dreams. Only big dreams have the power to move your mind and spirit." This quote encapsulates a profound truth about the human spirit and our capacity for greatness. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.
Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time.